everyone, it's your Buhay Mother Monica. Right now, I'm at Resa's Succulent and Cacti Nursery. And today, I'll be showing you everything that she has here. And the good thing is she's got a sale. It started yesterday, March 27th. It will last up to April 24th. So if the sale's still on, please have a look. And I'm sure you'll find whatever you want. So better start collecting for your Easter arrangement or for any occasions from birthday or any events and maybe for Mother's Day as well. So please come and join us. So, Risa, once I get my plant, I get home, what do I do in terms of location? Do I repot it?
I asked them first, where would you want your succulent to be? In the ground, in the pot,
Yeah.
or inside,
Oh.
or are you doing it as arrangement? I would recommend for arrangement just to get the cuttings,
Yeah.
or a small plant, because you want them to you wanted them to see yourself how they actually grow.
Yes.
Because it's really fulfilling to have that, seeing yourself, oh, I did this one, and things like that. In terms of pot, I would recommend some other plants love to have a deeper pot to grow.
So this one would be a deeper pot?
I would say those one would be just the medium one, not too deep,
Right.
but the diameter of the pot will has to be a little bit bigger, and you have to actually put a little bit of a space on the diameter and put that right in the center, because they clump after a while.
Yeah.
So after 6 months, you'll see the whole pot is actually fulfilled, but it's clumped. It's really some of the plants like kalanchoy, they actually need a deeper one because they have so much of the roots when they're growing,
Yeah.
and they go taller.
Oh, yes.
And sedum as well. They have so much roots, but they actually fall down like a fountain. I love those.
Yeah, just like
in
the
sedum.
trail. Huh?
Yeah, they have that trail. But echeveria as well, they want the diameter but not too deep, because when they actually have a deeper pot,
Yeah.
they can get drawn because the water stays there for longer. And unless you're not actually watering them
Yeah.
too often.
Too often is twice a week?
I would say depending on the season. So
Mm.
basically what I normally do is on autumn, I water them less because we get the rainy season. It depends on the pot, what pot you
Yeah.
have. If you have the small pot,
Mm.
then I would say water it at least twice
Yes.
a week, or once a week at least.
Mm.
Paong winter, I would say also 1 or 2 a week.
Yeah.
On spring, you
Yes.
gotta have to water at least three times a week.
3 times a week. So
Yeah,
I
three
don't
times
wa-
a week or every other 2 days at least.
So I don't water mine
Because it's a dry season.
Mm.
So succulents are actually made of water,
Yeah.
and they actually need to be moist. The roots has to be moist to bring out the water onto the leaves, into the leaves. But also on summer, this is the critical
Yes.
condition. The summer we get like a 37 degree, 48, 37 degree to at least 49 degree. We reached out that last year. Oh, was it last year? I think
It was last year. I think
Yeah.
this year was 45.
Yeah. So anything, the climate, if the climate changed from 30 degree up above, you
Yeah.
gotta have to actually start watering the plants.
Yeah.
I recommend to water them on the night time
Yes.
to actually
Nighttime.
settle down a little bit. Afternoon.
Ah.
That's why we have
Okay.
a water restriction.
Yes.
Remember? So if you water them at night time or first thing in the morning,
Yes.
at least the water already drained into the soil.
Okay.
But if you water it during the daytime from 10 up above,
just
plants actually wet and they actually can get burnt so easily.
that's good.
Yeah, so it hasn't reached the soil to give the nutrients to the
Mm.
leaves. But yeah, so it all depends, and I think everyone has a different opinion on that.
Yeah.
It all depends.